bag because it has a bag and then it has a dog inside it. And did you know you can use your paw like the dog's paw like a stamp? I saw one of those people. So this was called a dog bag and then it just invented in 2018 in December.
Okay, 2018 December, you invented the dog bag. Okay. And how much will it be on eBay or Amazon?
16 cents and $1.
16 cents and $1. Okay, sounds not too expensive. 16 cents and $1 on eBay. Can you get it also on Amazon?
I can get it on Amazon, Netflix, and everything.
And Netflix too. Okay, we get it on Netflix. I like
that. She has really some claws now.
Okay. And what color can we get it? Can we get that back in different colors?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay, what colors can we get that? Different sizes?
Blue, purple, rainbow.
Rainbow,
black.
Okay.
And all the colors in the rainbow and all the colors.
All the colors in the rainbow. Okay, sounds good.
That's a lot of colors.
Thank you so much for this new thing here. All right.